Good afternoon, CST team members. To kick off our discussion on perception, I want you to go ahead and picture the following scenario. Imagine years from now, you're working as a doctor, a nurse, or a medical assistant, and a patient walks into the room, squints their eyes, and says the following. You look like you're going to blow this place up. I don't think you're a doctor, or I don't think you're a nurse, or a credible medical assistant. What would you do? What would you say? How would you react? In today's discussion, in our workshop titled Me, Myself, and I, and You, we will focus on how we perceive our world and how others may perceive us as well. The following topics will be discussed. Number 1, automatic versus conscious processing, which influences how we perceive the world. Number 2, we will discuss first impressions and the factors that create first impressions. This will also lead into one of my favorite activities titled the Animal Perception Game. Number 3, we will talk about barriers to perception and ways that we can go ahead and improve our perception of others. And finally, we will go ahead and discuss impression management. How do you create a positive first impression? Because remember, it only takes 3 seconds to create a positive first impression. So you want to make sure that you set your best foot forward when you meet someone. Let's go ahead and get started with automatic versus conscious processing.